Hello, TubeRoadmap loving viewers. Welcome back to another power-packed video. Today, we're delving into a topic that's not just about sharing your thoughts, but turning them into dollars. In this episode, we're going to explore how you can make money through blogging. I'm Sahu, your guide on this blogging journey, so buckle up and let's dive in. Choosing your niche. First things first, finding your niche. Successful blogs often center around a specific topic or industry. Whether it's travel, technology, or lifestyle, identifying a niche that aligns with your passions and interests is crucial. This not only makes blogging more enjoyable, but also helps attract a dedicated audience. Setting up your blog? Now let's talk about the technical side. Setting up your blog is easier than ever. Platforms like WordPress and Blogger offer user-friendly interfaces. Choose a clean and visually appealing design, and don't forget about mobile responsiveness. It's essential. Once your blog is set up, start creating high-quality, engaging content. Monetization strategies. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, making money. Ad revenue is a classic method. Platforms like Google AdSense can place ads on your blog, and you earn money when visitors click or view them. Affiliate marketing is another gem. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale through your affiliate link. Consider creating and selling your products or services, like ebooks, online courses, or consulting services. And of course, sponsored content is a fantastic avenue to explore. Building your audience. Your audience is the backbone of your blog. Focus on creating content that resonates with them. Utilize social media to share your posts and engage with your community. Encourage comments, ask for feedback, and listen to what your audience wants. The larger and more engaged your audience, the more attractive your blog becomes to potential advertisers and collaborators. Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember that turning your blog into a money-making machine takes time and dedication. Consistency, quality content, and understanding your audience are key. So whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting, there's ample opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Thanks for tuning in to TubeRoadmap, your guide to turning your blog into a money-making venture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, happy blogging!